Dr. Anamika Joshi. I'm an oculoplasty specialist. That means I'm an eye plastic surgeon. I practice in Hyderabad, India, and I want to answer a very commonly asked question that how do you contact me? So the best way to get in touch with me is to call on this number. Now this is my secretary's number, and when you call on this number, she will guide you with the appointment timings, the day that you wish to come. Now, if you're not from Hyderabad and you still wish to consult me, then there is an option of paid online video consultation. So, in this video consultation, also, I'm able to answer a lot of queries like maybe which surgery or which treatment is correct for you, how many days it might take in Hyderabad for your treatment, what is the cost of the treatment. So, you'll get a very good detailed idea about your treatment if you're from outside Hyderabad. So please get in touch with my secretary. If you're not from India and you're an international patient, then you could use WhatsApp and you could message my secretary on WhatsApp on the same number. In case if you don't get a good response on that number, the second option is to DM me on my Instagram. So this is my Instagram ID where if you send your eye pictures and your preliminary eye concern, I can give you a preliminary advice. However, to discuss in detail, again, I may ask you to book an online video consultation, right? Now, where is my clinic located? So, I basically practice at GVK Health Hub in Jubilee Hills in Hyderabad. I have my private practice in this hospital. So, how do you reach there? If you're coming by air, by flight, so the airport is roughly 45 minutes to 1 hour away from my place. And if you're coming by train, then the nearest train station is Sikandrabad. If you're coming by metro, you could take a metro from wherever you're coming. Then the nearest metro station is Jubilee Hills Checkpost, and a nearest bus stand would be Ameerpet or Lakdika Pul. So this is the location of the hospital for your reference. So I hope this helps. So if you want to contact us, please call on this number or send a WhatsApp message there. Otherwise, please DM me on Instagram. Thank you.